We're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. And that's why we featured 15 wonderful Valentine's Day trees that you and your kids will absolutely love. In this video, we'll answer that burning question, and that is, who is our fan favorite to win a gift card and be featured in an upcoming video. We'll also announce the question of the day winner so that you can win a prize too. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so the results of our Valentine's Day tree roundup are in, and we have a winner. But before we get into that, we want to give a special thank you to all of our participants as well as the viewers. We had 15 lovely ladies showcase their Valentine's Day trees, and they invited us in their homes. These trees came in all shapes, sizes, colors. They all were just super awesome. Each and every one of these sisters did their thing, and we enjoyed them to the max. Our Valentine's Day tree roundup video was the most popular video to date. It garnered the most excitement since we started the channel back in 2020. So that was super cool. We got a whopping 500 plus comments related to the MommyRoomREDO Valentine's Day tree roundup. We had 2 versions of the roundup running to ensure we provided several opportunities for folks to vote. Most importantly, we wanted to provide several opportunities for viewers to get excited about African American women doing positive things, and we did that. So that was a win for all of us. Right now, we want to acknowledge Brenda. She came in 3rd place with 93 votes. And we want to recognize Ashley, who came in 2nd place with a whopping 115 votes. And then a big congratulations to Joanne. She is keeping her crown, and she etched out a win with 122 votes. Our question of the day winner is Miss Katrina Brennis. And in terms of what's next for us, get ready for the annual linen closet competition. We had some amazing linen closets last year, and we expect to have some wonderful ones this year as well. So if you'd like to claim a prize, or if you'd like to enter our next competition, please send your name, address, videos, and pics to MommyRoomREDO@gmail.com. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.